Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Uni Nigiri. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need fresh, high-quality uni, which is sea urchin roe, for its distinct, creamy texture and ocean flavor. Next, prepare your sushi rice with a precise vinegar mixture to achieve the perfect balance of sweet and tangy. Finally, have thin nori strips and a small amount of wasabi ready for the final assembly. These components are crucial for an authentic and delicious experience. To perfect your sushi rice, begin by rinsing 2 cups of short-grain rice thoroughly until the water runs completely clear. Then, cook the rice with exactly 2 1/2 cups of water. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt while the rice is still warm. Fan the rice as you mix to cool it quickly, ensuring each grain retains its individual texture and glossy appearance. Now, let's shape the nigiri base. First, moisten your hands with water to prevent the sticky rice from adhering. Take a small, approximately 1-ounce portion of the prepared sushi rice. Gently press and mold it into an elegant oval or rectangular shape, ensuring it's firm but not overly compressed. Before adding the uni, apply a tiny dab of fresh wasabi to the top of the rice. This adds a subtle kick and helps the uni adhere. For the final assembly, carefully place a generous, vibrant piece of fresh uni on top of your perfectly shaped rice base. The uni should sit beautifully, showcasing its natural form. If desired, you can gently secure the uni with a thin strip of nori, wrapping it around the rice and uni. Serve your exquisite uni nigiri immediately to savor its delicate flavors and luxurious texture. A tiny drop of soy sauce or a sprinkle of sea salt can enhance the experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.